Yoona is a South Korean singer and actress. Yoona was born on May 30, 1990 in South Korea. She became one of the best-selling artists of South Korea and her group also became one of the most popular ones in the country. Her family consists of her father and an older sister by 5 years. In 2002, she was cast in the SM Saturday Open Casting Audition and spent 5 years doing nothing but constant training in singing, dancing and acting. She made her official debut as a member of Girls' Generation in August 2007, becoming the center of the group. She debuted as a member of girl group Girls' Generation in August 2007, which went on to become one of the best-selling artists in South Korea and one of South Korea's most popular girl groups worldwide. She developed an interest in music at an early age. She was a fan of the group SES, whose music inspired her to become a singer. Yoona graduated from Daeyoung High School in 2009. She went on to major in theater studies and graduated from Dongguk University in February 2015, receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award at the graduation ceremony. On May 30, 2019, Yoona celebrated her 29th birthday with the release of her debut extended play, A Walk to Remember, charting at number 3 on South Korea's Gaon album chart. The success of Yoona's music and acting careers have led her to various CF deals, notably long-term collaborator Innisfree, and have established her as a top idol actress of Hallyu. Yoona has participated in various television dramas, notably You Are My Destiny, which remarked her career breakthrough and earned her the Best New Actress Awards at the 23rd KBS Drama Awards and the 45th Baeksang Arts Awards. In 2020, Yoona is set to return to the small screen in JTBC's office drama Hush, where she would play an intern reporter. In July 2019, Yoona starred in the disaster action film Exit alongside Jo Young-sak, which became one of the highest-grossing films in South Korea. In 2018, Yoona joined the second season of Hyori's Homestay as a new helper. She released her third solo single To You at the conclusion of the variety show. In August 2018, a Girls' Generation subgroup named Oh Gigi was formed with Yoona alongside the 4 other SNSD members who had decided to renew their contracts with SM Entertainment. The group released the single Lil Touch. In January 2017, Yoona made her film debut in action film Confidential Assignment. Yoona's performance was well received and she won several awards such as the AFA Next Generation Award at the Asian Film Awards and the Newcomer Award at the Korean Film Shining Star Awards. She then starred in MBC's historical drama The King in Love, an adaptation of the novel of the same name by Kim Yi-rang. In September 2017, Yoona released her second solo single When the Wind Blows as part of SM Station. In April 2016, Yoona was cast in her debut Chinese drama God of War, Zhao Yun, based on the Chinese novel Romance of the Three Kingdoms. In December 2013, Yoona starred alongside Lee Bom-soo in KBS2's romantic comedy drama Prime Minister and I.